good morning, all the students of 6th standard. We are learning here history, and in the history, we are learning the fourth lesson, that is the Vedic civilizations. This one lesson we are learning here in the Vedic civilizations. Last page number 19 is going on, or the page number 19 of 6th standard. The people of the state participated in their working. That those were the people at that time. These people, they were participating in the working in the administrations with supporting to the kings, and along with the men, women also, or the peoples, women also participated in the working of the Sabha and Samiti. Sabha and Vidhat, women also, they participated in the work there with the men there. Sabha consisted of senior citizens. Sabha, this group or the assembly, was formed by senior members of the state. Those were the senior members from the state. Together they formed that Sabha. They means they were the member or the part of the Sabha there. And Samiti was general body of the people. And whereas the Samiti is a general body of a citizen state there. General body means all the people, they were the member or the part of this. So Samiti was the general body of the peoples. Later on in the Vedic thought, Smriti and Puranas were composed. In the Vedic thought or ideas, or in the Vedic civilization, that Smriti and the Puranas form all this setup. They established the Smriti and the Puranas in the Vedic civilizations. So Smriti and the Puranas work, they are important there. They compose that after a period of time, the religious stream based on the Vedas, Smritis, Puranas, and the local traditions came to be known as a Hinduism. How the Hinduism concept formed there or set up, or how this concept came into be exist. So in that, what is there, over a period of time, what are the religious stream was there, which was based on the Vedas. In a Vedic civilization, what is the religious stream was based on the Vedas, was based on the Smritis, was based on the Puranas. That religious concept, which was based on these things, came to be known as Hinduism. So in this way, the concept of Hinduism came into be exist. So last one, what is that, along with the Vedic stream. So Vedic civilization is important, but along with this Hinduism, along with the Vedic stream or the concept, there were other religious trends were there. Not only Hinduism, but along with the Hinduism, some of other religious trends were there, or some of the other religions were there, which took different positions from the Vedic one, and they were different from the Vedic civilization and from the Vedic one. Not only the Hinduism was there, but along with the Hinduism, some of the other trends were there, some of the other religious trends, concepts were there. They originated and they took the different trend, they took the different ideas than the Hinduisms or than the Vedic civilizations. Other religions also started there, their trend started there with the help of in the formations, or with the formations of Hinduisms. So different positions from the Vedic one regarding yajna rights were there, and some of the what is that yajna's rights were there also, that means rules were there, and concepts were there. So regarding the yajna's rights there, some other trends were there, or the rules were there. So some of the regarding yajna, some of the other rights were there, and the varna system is also important. So varna system was also prevalent at that time, or important one at that times, that we will learn the varna systems and other things, that we will learn more about them in the next chapter then. So what are the next concept is there about this, about the religions, about the varna systems, that we shall see in the next lesson, how it is there, how it works, that we'll see in the our next lesson of history is there. So this thing is a important one. So today you read out these 4 lessons and revise it, practice it. Tomorrow when will come, then tomorrow I will give homework on the same lesson. Okay, so till that time you revise this 4 lessons, the Vedic civilizations, which is so important. Thank you very much.